In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the first chat on Messenger. View your first message. By the end, you'll know reliable ways to jump back to the very beginning of a long conversation, whether you're on a computer or a phone, and how to do it without risking your privacy or your data. Start by signing in to Messenger on the device you prefer. If the thread is very long, a computer is usually faster and more stable. So that's my top recommendation. Make sure you have a solid internet connection so older messages can load without interruption. On a computer, open the conversation you want to review. The quickest route is search in conversation. Look for the search field in the conversation details. Type a common word that's likely to appear early in your chat, and then use the on-screen arrows to navigate through results. Click the arrow that takes you backward in time until you reach the oldest match. Once you land on that oldest hit, scroll a little further up. In many cases, you'll see the conversation header and the very first exchange right above it. If your first attempt brings up too many results, try a different short keyword or an emoji you used at the start. The idea is to use search to anchor yourself near the beginning. Then scroll the last bit manually. If search isn't available or doesn't help, you can manually scroll. Click into the message area and hold page up on your keyboard, or use your mouse wheel to keep moving up steadily. Give Messenger a moment as you go. Older messages load in batches, and pausing briefly helps prevent skipped sections. Watch for the top of thread date banner, or the system note that indicates when the chat began. That's your confirmation you've reached the start. On a phone, open the conversation. Tap the contact or info icon to view details, and choose Search in Conversation. Enter a likely early word, then use the navigation controls to jump to the oldest result. From there, scroll slightly upward to reach the first message. If the app lists results, open one near the bottom of that list to get closer to the beginning, then nudge up to find the very first line. For very long threads, consider switching to a computer, or keep your phone plugged in on stable Wi-Fi to avoid reloads. A quick privacy reminder: stick to Messenger's built-in tools and avoid third-party scrapers or extensions. They can put your account at risk. That's it. Use search to get close, scroll the rest of the way, and you'll land on your very first message.